Welcome to Afridi.
Hello students, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படினா 5th standard science first lesson organ system book back exercise பார்க்க போறோம். Page number 108. First one, choose the correct answer. What is the length of alimentary canal? Answer is D, 6 to 9 meter. Then which organ is involved in respiration? Lungs. How many kidneys do we have? 2. Fourth one, functional unit of brain is neuron. Blood is pumped by heart. Fill in the blanks. A group of organs together make up an organ system. The process by which the body removes waste is called excretory. E-X-C-R-E-T-O-R-Y. Excretory system. Then third one, the number of chambers in human heart are 4. Fourth one, the functional unit of kidney is nephron. Fifth one, the human nervous system is divided into CNS and PNS parts. Page number 106 la kuda irukku. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, idoda abbreviation. Then true or false? The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood and blood vessels. True. Important function of heart is to transport blood with nutrients, organs, waste and hormones. True. The brain is protected by the rib cage. False. The functional unit of kidney is neuron. False. At the circle the add one. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs. Lungs the answer. At the nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, stomach. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, kidney. Idla kidney. Then fourth one, taste, hear, think, smell. Think. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, nephron. Nephron. Match the following: digestive system, alimentary canal, respiratory system, lungs, circulatory system, heart, excretory system, kidney, nervous system, brain. Thank you.